Hi, this is Sot at Johnson RV here in Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned motorhomes. Today I will be showing you the 2019 Winnebago Navion 24J on the Mercedes platform. This is a Mercedes engine, 3.0 liter V6, 188 horsepower with 325 pounds of torque. It's on the Sprinter chassis, cutaway chassis. So Winnebago's built around that. Go ahead and follow me this way. Winnebago, they're a vertically integrated company, so they control all the quality aspects to this unit from top to bottom. They have the robust steps here, their own aluminum factory. And then the steps for the interior, very, very heavy duty. You got the awning, powered awning. All you need to do is just push it. It'll go out automatically, and then do the same thing, push it, it'll come back automatically as well. This Class C diesel is going to give you quite a bit of storage on the outside. Lockable door that opens up, so that way it gives you a lot of access room. Underneath, you have a carpet line, and also underneath here, and all of the Winnebago product underneath their slides, underneath their motorhome, you're gonna have aluminum substructure, because they don't cut corners in providing you with something that's inferior. You have your furnace exhaust here. Again, the wheelbase on this one is 170 inches from front to back. And the length on this unit is going to be about 25.5 feet. Total. So very, very small, gets in and out of a lot of places easier than the bigger Class A's. You have your 6-gallon hot water tank here, and underneath here you'll see the LP generator. It's a 3600 watt LP generator. And that exhaust pipes out and exhaust in the back. A little cubby storage here. It's a rotocast storage, so it's all plastic rotocast at the factory. If you put any wet stuff in there or anything that's damp, you're not going to get that smell of motor mildew underneath. Here on the 24J floor plan, you will have access to the storage here and from the inside as well. If you ever need to use portable water, this is where you fill it. It's lockable as well. Come right back here. You have this ladder here that supports 225 pounds. Now Winnebago doubles that amount, but they will give you the safe estimation. So it can support about 500 pounds, or I'm sorry, 400 pounds. Walkable roof. It's fiberglass roof. 10-year warranty on it. Integrated backup camera that is 180 degrees, so you can see quite a bit back here. You don't necessarily need a side camera on this unit because that camera will capture everything that's back here. You have your tow hitch, rated for 5,000 pound tow hitch and 500 pound vertical weight. And then you'll have your 7-way plug here as well. On this side, you will have access to your 30 amp service. Your cable connections are in there as well. Also, outside handheld shower, your water inlet, and your valves also. Everything's tucked away right here. Your sewer system is just right underneath it. And then this features a black tank flush. So when you're ready to go empty that black tank, hook a hose into this, it'll flush out quicker and cleaner that way. This unit features only one slide. Again, Winnebago, they don't cut corners, they put aluminum underneath. There'll be some additional storage here and here. And with the sewer hose storage, it goes right there, so it's away from everything. And when you need to fill your propane, access to it is very easy. All you do is pull this knob, pull this up, fill your propane here. You can shut off your propane from here or on the inside. I will show you that in a second. All right, now we have the cab area. Features a lot of leg room in this one, folks. Come take a look at this here. All the leg room that you would need. Get in and out of. And Winnebago also provides you with the built-in privacy shades here for all the windows. So if you would do this, so that way you have the nice convenience of privacy without carrying anything extra. We have a cab over area here. You got accent light throughout, a window, reading light as well. And up here you'll have the skylight. I'm a little bit too short here. I can't reach that. For those people that can't reach it, there's a button down here which will help you. It also has a built-in bug net for those nights that you want to leave the skylight open, and then also built-in shades as well. We'll come over here and take a look at the galley area. This unit will have the dual stainless steel sink with a residential size faucet that's retractable as well. So as you're cooking out here, you have a nice picture window. So when it's time for dinner for Billy, you can just tell him, he'll run right in. Here you go. 2 propane cooktop. Very easy to operate. This unit also features LED lights throughout. The LED lights are dimmable. It's in 2 stages. This is the high. That's low. Of course, that's off. And on the 24J, you'll have the biggest dinette in a short Sprinter class. You raise this up here. This becomes your leg rest. Twist this around. Nice relaxing area. TV there right in front of you. This unit will sleep a total of 6 people. 2 in the cab over, 2 in the dinette, and 2 more in the corner bed. Over here we have the electric refrigerator. It's a compressor refrigerator. It'll cool down much faster than the propane generator or refrigerators. Nice size freezer. It'll keep your ice cream nice and solid. Here is your control center. You can shut off your propane from here. Turn on your tank warmer, your slide control, your inverter, your tank level, and generator start. Also features a solar panel control here. This unit has a 100-watt solar panel that's mounted on top. So this is the corner bed model that has a Foley spring system, giving you a nice, comfortable resting area. Also has a TV back here as well. Nice picturesque window, reading lights, and a lot of storage in the back. Now this cabinet is a Euro-style Technoform cabinet, so it's not going to expand or contract on you. It's not going to make any noise going down the road. It will keep its true form years and years down the line. And positive latch, so when you're driving down the road, it's not going to bounce out The stuff that you have inside is going to stay inside. Yeah, Technoform, nice form curved doors here. This is the corner bathroom. Nice stand-up shower with a self-cleaning shower door. You got the porcelain tile with the foot-activated flushing. Now notice that the sink is outside. That will give you the ability to use both portions. One person's inside, one person's outside washing, cleaning, while the other person's using the bathroom. Over here you have a nice closet, a wardrobe space, microwave convection oven. And then again, I want to point out the Technoform storage cabinetry. Nice light composite material. All right. Come down and see me or call me at 253-286-0833. Again, this is Sot at Johnson RV in Fife. Thank you.